leader, gun dance loud. Another video, in fact, has now gone viral amidst the controversy, showing a Congress leader dancing with a gun. In fact, on your screen, that video, you can see in the video also involves the same leader. It has gone viral, and these latest visuals allegedly show Mateen Patel, Congress leader from Afzalpur in Kalaburgi district. You can see how he's dancing, and this comes after there was, in fact, a video showing him bundles of cash during a public event. The incident reportedly took place at a program held at a QP Palace on a ring road in Kalaburgi city. In the viral video, in fact, Mateen Patel is seen showering money on Arun Kumar Patel, a son of Congress MLA M.Y. Patel and the chairman of KKRTC. Now, my colleague Abhishek joins me on this with more details. Abhishek, it seems two videos have now gone viral. Congress leaders are shown displaying the gun, showering bundles of cash. Give us more details.
Mateen Patel, who is the Congress leader of Afzalpur, who is also a follower of M.Y. Patil, the MLA, is in the first video seen entering into a wedding location with a filmy style entry where he has a couple of bodyguards around him, and he also holds a gun himself in his hand. He also has the music of one of the latest movies on the screen. On the other hand, after this video got viral, there was another video where Mateen Patel is seen probably pouring or showering bundles of currency notes on one of the persons. He is the son of M.Y. Patil. Arjun Patil is the name of the MLA son. Two videos which have gone viral on the social media very clearly indicates that people who are in power can do anything, and there will be no political or any policing action against them despite they doing something illegal. If it was a normal civilian who had showcased a gun in the public area, there would have been a FIR registered, the gun and the person would have been taken into the custody of the police, whereas this person particularly, since he is the follower of M.Y. Patil, the MLA, there is no action initiated against him. We are awaiting the response from the district officials and the police department as to why there has been no initial action against the person, which very clearly indicates that he is holding a gun. Along with, in another video, he is showering the currency notes on another person. So a case of investigation will have to be started as soon as the police takes this into consideration, and there should have been a suo motu case by now, which hasn't been registered until now. Ijda.
All right. So, as you say that as of now, no investigation has begun against the Congress leaders. What are the political reactions we're getting on this? I'm sure the other parties have also reacted to this.
Well, with respect to the video of Mateen Patel, we are awaiting the response of BJP and JDS leaders as well. But it is very sure that the BJP and JDS would condemn the move of Mateen Patel because he has displayed a gun in the public area along with a couple of bodyguards, which is clearly violating the Arms Act. It is mentioned in the Arms Act that none of the persons who hold the weapon should be showcasing it in the public for the only for the purpose of entertainment. On the other hand, the respect what a person gives to the currency notes throughout the world is already known, and with also due respect, Mateen Patel had to make sure that this hadn't been videoed enough. On the other hand, it is very clear that Mateen Patel is showering probably bundles of 500 rupees or 100 rupees on Arjun Patel, the son of M.Y. Patil, the MLA of Afzalpur. We are awaiting the response of the BJP, and it is sure that the BJP and JDS leaders would condemn the move of Mateen Patel because both the acts or both the videos are going against the system, and the BJP and JDS are sure to also include their allegation on the police official who had to initiate an action which haven't been done until now because the government belongs to the Congress, and the Congress is making sure that it is safeguarding its own follower of the party and also very close aid of local MLA. We are awaiting the response of the BJP and JDS, and there will be some response in the next couple of hours. Ishita.
Right, of course, Abhishek. Congress there trying to shield their leader after the two controversial videos have now gone viral. In one, the leader can be seen showering a bundle of cash. In another, dancing with gun, which clearly violates the law. I want to ask you, has the police said anything on this? Why they have not begun the investigation as of now?
The police who have kept numb with respect to the particular issue which involves Mateen Patel, which also are doing rounds on social media, police haven't spoken a word about it, and there is also a benefit of doubt where the police, why did the police not register an FIR? Why did the police not take into custody the weapon which had been displayed in the wedding event? Why did the police not ensure that there is a case against Mateen Patel for showering the cash or the notes in the public area? Despite knowing the fact that this is illegal, why was this allowed? Even after the video had gone viral on social media and various other social media platforms, why is there not a suo motu case registered against Mateen Patel? Is it because of the influence of the MLA MY Patil, or is it any other person from the district?
All right, Abhishek, hold that
administration or the
thought. I'm
district-
also being joined by BJP's Sudha Halki. Thank you for joining us on Republic. I want to ask you, two videos have gone viral showing Mateen Patel. In one video, he's displaying a gun. In another video, he's sharing a bundle of cash. How do you respond to this? No action has come in from the police yet.
Yeah, very good afternoon. And don't expect any action from the police in the future also, because this is the culture of the Congress government, and we have seen in Bellary also how the Congress person only was, shot dead by the security person of the Congress leader over there. So this is not something new which is happening, and this is go on until and unless wherever these Congress leaders are there, and this culture of theirs will be continued. This is there in the Virasat. Okay, this is what the Congress have given to their Karyakartas in the Virasat, and that is how they are going to display. There's nothing new about it. And this is absolutely condemnable. This is against the Constitution, and it's against the law. Action has to be taken, but don't expect it, because when the police are in their own puppets.
Right, of course, the police stays mute, no word from Congress also, but is the BJP trying to do anything? Is there any action that the party is going to take against these two viral videos?
Definitely, we are going to stand against this. And earlier also we have seen how the Amruta Gowda case also, 15 days that Raju Gowda was absconding and the police had done nothing till the bail was rejected by the Honorable High Court. So time and again it has shown that, wherever the Congress rule is there, this is going to happen. And we have stood for the people, and we have stood for the law, that the law of the land has to be taken care and it has to persist. We are going to go against it.
All right, Ms. Halki, thank you for joining us on Republic and giving us your reaction on this.